Model, 2007 Iveco Daily 50C15 Mobile Workshop Business on Wheels Genuine Low Mileage. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 80,734. Engine, 2,998 cc F1C E4 107 kilowatts. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. It has been converted into a mobile workshop and truly is ready to go and make you money. Genuine honest work van. Features, 3 former keepers, part service history, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.